Asempa every Ghana for. Asempa is saying, Assemblies of God Ghana, ya powering. Say 2026, ye World Congress, I no. Ye wo Accra, Ghana. The country in Yajini say, in our over 100 years existence as a church, we are spreading in Ano. South in the year, a few di Kenya, South Congress, eba, ayebeye wo Africa, ayesanye wo Ghana ha. Nebema Ghana diya kwe chile, the whole world eni nyina beba yenso. Entibe peja Ghana din, afenso, about tourism, and hospitality industry now, at the sika bebrebe brayen. Esan say, Congress we no sure Assemblies of God, there were over 170 countries. And your number nkwa 85 million members. No crowd shemwa. Yeah, Assemblies of God for pound 53 million. And now you to meji other sorry sutum emombe kai our world level. Omnunkwa 35 million. Sorry, 32 million. Now you call a Congress we no. Your son Gini members etu if other countries. Now you voted the United Nations of Lighthouse Churches. Bishop David Mills, Eka Hono, or Yomu Penino. Ya Jomo Atum, Omo apply some be join World Fellowship of Assemblies of God. Ya Jomo Atum. NASA conference when over 5,000 participants nearby or Madrid from over 170 countries. Na team and that's only a shine. So more Kanye Ashring. Yema used to Kanye Ashring with yourself and then na conference yasiwo Madrid Spain no yesangi to mu say by the year 2033 no yebe be 1 million churches all over the world. Afen so yesampa new leaders a ombedi ye World Congress enim e was Spain. Na Reverend Dominic Yu on no ye general superintendent e Singapore Assemblies of God. Afen so on no ye general secretary e World Fellowship. Main induction service am here February crowd no can so be inform about Ghana better echi ono na ya power no so be the chairman for the World Assemblies of God Fellowship for the next 3 years. And the Reverend Doclay ono a general superintendent US Assemblies of God on your power no as vice president. Enti ye beda mo ase bebre na Ibrahim call yeso no Ghana general superintendent Ayami Amika say, ye power me as vice chair of Africa Assemblies of God Alliance. Na some meeting I say in the house and ratify sa appointment no. Ye better mu nyina say. Na we bra ye ya hoboa for World Congress Assemblies of God Ghana be host 2026 no. Yes, support if you are buying her Christopher Ghana ha. General public, mass media say mereno so metaichi. No, you guys have stretched me.
Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe,
and click on the bell for more updates.